To do the half double crochet, we'll yarn over, then insert the hook into your next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, then pull through all 3 loops on your hook. So once again, we'll yarn over, insert the hook in our next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. This is how fabric turns out if you do half double crochets in every stitch, every row. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Please be sure to subscribe for more crochet tutorials and patterns.